After discovering this recipe, I have not experienced back pain again. You can effortlessly concoct this blend in the comfort of your home and swiftly alleviate pain. Individuals who have given this remedy a try have reported improved well-being after the initial application. What's even more appealing is that this solution can also be effective for other areas of discomfort, such as knees and shoulders, among others. Additionally, the ingredients required for this recipe are readily available, as you'll only need turmeric and bananas. You might be wondering why these specific ingredients were chosen. Turmeric is known for its anti-inflammatory properties, and its effectiveness in addressing conditions like arthritis and back pain has been supported by studies. Conversely, bananas have muscle-relaxing properties and can alleviate muscular pain. When combined, these ingredients create a potent pain relief solution. Alternatively, you can consider turmeric capsules. However, it's important to note that many turmeric supplements on the market today may be contaminated with harmful additives or, in some instances, counterfeit. To achieve optimal results, it is advisable to source your turmeric from a reputable supplier. Now, for the recipe itself, here's what you need to create it. 1 ripe banana and 1 teaspoon of turmeric powder. Preparing it is a simple process. Mix the turmeric powder with the mashed banana, then apply the resulting mixture to the affected area. Allow it to sit for 30 minutes, and afterward, rinse it off with warm water. This process can be repeated up to 3 times a day. To help you swiftly alleviate back pain, here are 4 crucial tips to keep in mind. Maintain proper posture, exercise regularly to strengthen your back, lose weight if necessary, avoid lifting excessive weight. If the back pain is severe or doesn't improve with home remedies, consult a specialist. If you are pregnant or nursing, it's important to consult a doctor before using this home remedy.